Chogokin! Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, nice to meet you guys. I'm Alvin of Boy Bukas Toy Box, coming at you with today unboxing. So another great collection na mula pa sa ating baol. Kaya this time, kailangan natin siya unbox. And let's ma-display na rin natin sa ating bagong display cabinet. And then, yeah. So if you wonder kung ano to, so, okay, here you go mga bossing. So this is it. The Soulofchogokin GX-02 Great Mazinger. So as you can see, this was one release 1998. So 2020 na. So it's not really an old toy. So parang hindi na siya masyadong anong buksan, ano? Siguro, but still we still need to open it and let's see what's inside, kung talagang it's still in mint condition or kulang-kulang na. But hopefully it's not. So as you can see, yung box niya medyo talagang luma na. So there's no way we can keep it and stay it intact siguro. Let's see mga bossing, buksan na natin to. Let's go! Okay mga bossing, let's do it. Let's unbox this action toys. So this one is another creation or another hero created by Go Nagai. So yeah, this one just follow MazingerZ. So as if you guys knows, yung GX-01 is MazingerZ. So let's go. And this one is really old. So this is released 1998. So yung reissue nito, yung GX-02, I believe meron siyang special releases din na they say it's exclusive for Big Bad Toy Store. So yun yung na merong Tamashi Nations Tokyo. So medyo maganda na pagkaka-chrome nung yung chrome finish niya. So hopefully one day makapag-unbox tayo. So here you go. Yung label sa kanyang stand. Lukot na. So yeah. As you can see, na pagka luma na, yeah. Ayan, yellowish na yung kanyang ano, yung kanyang plastic tray. Yeah, so ito yung kanyang mga ano, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 pairs ng kanyang hands. So isang parang tumuturo, saka yung itong pang ano, panghawak ng kanyang sword, saka dalawang parang close fist lang to eh. So yan, at dalawang kanyang Mazinger blades or swords. So this one is part ng kanyang display stand. So there's atomic punch unit, saka 2 punch launch unit, saka yung drill pressure punch unit. So yeah, so it's magnetically, kaya okay lang din siyang ano, easy to assemble. So dalawang brain condors dito. So 1, 2, at itong isa na to, bali ito yung kanyang wings. Tapos tatanggalin mo lang siya pag lalagay mo siya sa ulo. So parang ano to eh, kay MazingerZ ito eh. So parang I think they call it na handshake parts ng ano eh, yung pwede siyang lumipat kay MazingerZ. So here you go. And so not sure what on this one because this is I bought it ng medyo ano na. So second hand. So I hope hindi nyo lang pinagbabalik dito yung parts. Sabi niya kasi hindi naman nabuksan to eh, pero we'll see. Hindi niya na-stand. So hopefully all parts is here and complete. So display stand. Let's put it here. You can have a close look then. Also, cool things about it, magnetic lang din siya. So, madali siyang iyan, oh. Ayan. So, magnetic. So, ito kanyang great boomerang. Nasa chest niya. Okay. Yeah. So, magnetic again. It's cool. So itong may, may konting assembly required din siya, pero this is only like 10 minutes, is easy. Yeah. Actually, nung makita ko to, medyo, kaya ako napatras eh. I really hate assembly. Okay, so this is other parts ng kanyang leg unit. So some missiles for great booster. Yeah, the great booster, right? So yan. So, ito yung kaya sa legs. Para mga pins niya. Okay, this one looks like for the stand. This one yung sa kanyang belt. Parang buckle niya. Sa kanyang naval missiles. And yeah, ito rin yung sa kanyang Scramble dash or great booster. Parang pinaka-pins ng kanyang Okay. And then the great Mazinger figure. Here you go. Nice. Really nice. Almost like just black and chrome. They say yung maganda pagka-chrome na nung reissue nito, lalo na yung Tamashii Nations Tokyo version nito. So, ayan. So, medyo dusty na. Here you go. So, ayan. I believe tatanggal din to. So, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng parang this part na medyo pointy. So, yeah, we'll do that later on sa ating playtime. So yeah, so magnetic. Really cool. Even the boomerang. Yeah, yung chest plate. Yeah, so that was cool. So So, yung kanyang articulation. So, marami rin siyang articulations. So this one, yun lang. Cool. Yun. You see that? This is cool. So parang napupus niya yun eh. Oh, here you go. That's so cool. So yeah. It's like a spring-loaded pins. Okay. So ang sukat niya, ang height niya is, I believe 7 inches. Let's show you guys. Yeah, 7 inches. Or 18 cm. So usually 10 cm is 4 inches. Okay, there you go. Then maybe we can start playing to see yung mga kanyang mga features, mga special features niya. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's play. Start from this stand. Nothing special. Okay, here you go, guys. So what do you guys think about it? Just comment below. And yeah, please don't forget to like and share this episode. At kung bago kayo dito, please subscribe and recommend to hit the bell icons so palagi kayo updated sa ating mga bagong uploaded episode. And thank you for watching, mga bossing. See you on the next episode. Bye for now.